Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, we talked about multiple problems some people have been having with the bug fixing update or the update preview that was released in late June. And basically, it is always, I think, a good idea to wait until the patch Tuesday to have it installed, because it makes the bug fix probably better. Microsoft has the time to fix some of the bugs before patch Tuesday arrives. But if you have had problems or wondered why the print to PDF feature didn't work on Windows 11 24H2, it actually was broken. It was broken since late April when there was the bug fixing update. So the update KB5060829 fixes the print to PDF. So if you had some problems with that, if you couldn't print to PDF and you wanted to have that happen, well, this update does fix the print to PDF option, which is now back and running. Some people are mentioning that they would go and check the service, the Windows service for the print to PDF, and when they would actually activate or enable the print to PDF service, it would return an error message, and this was a known issue for a little while now. So back to normal, and if you don't want to install it in case there's something, you can wait till patch Tuesday, and on patch Tuesday you should technically have the print to PDF backup and working on your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.